Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2006 Honda VTX1300 I want to show you. 1300cc liquid cooled V-twin with a 5-speed. Got a few little goodies on it. Got an engine guard up front. Dual front disc brakes. We'll put you a brand new Michelin tire on the front. Got the little eagle action going on here on the front fender. A big nice windshield up here. Also got the clear wind guards down here on the bottom. Upgraded floorboards, heel toe shifter with upgraded pedals. Also set up for 2-up riding. This Mustang seat, passenger backrest, and the large passenger foot pegs back here. Set of soft Saddleman saddlebags. Got a luggage rack on the back. It's a shaft drive bike. Oh, that looks real good. Put you a brand new tire on the back as well. It's got a little rub right here on this corner on the tip of the fender. And upgraded with a nice exhaust too. Sounds good. It's a 2-into-1 header. I'm not sure who makes it. Looks good on this bike. Has a nice sound to it. Also got a hypercharger intake. The front fender actually looks good. It may have a couple little rock pecks on it there. Tell you, if you ride them, you just can't prevent that. The front of the tank looks good. It's got a big leather tank bib on it here with the little pouch for your paraphernalia. Got a windshield pouch on it too. I got a little issue with that latch. I couldn't seem to get the latch to work just right. Maybe you can. Got a upgraded with a set of Kuriakin hand grips too. It's a carbureted bike. There's a little dullness in the paint right here, like a little rub. And we got a sales guy over there demonstrating another bike, so we're gonna have to kind of wait till they get through with that. If you'd like to know more about this bike, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. 2006 qualifies for some financing and extended warranties. I think those other guys are through for now, so we'll fire this baby off and let you listen to that header. It's got 29,088 miles on it. Fires right up. Idle's good. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.